First of all, congratulations that you have decided to click on this video. You'll never be disappointed because you made the right decision. You've decided to keep an eye on your expenses, which is a giant leap. For the same purpose, there are many apps available. That's the problem. As choices increase, we get confused. In this video, we'll make your job easier. From the hundreds of available apps, we've shortlisted the best 5 spending tracker apps for you. Take a look at each of them. 1. You Need a Budget, or YNAB. YNAB is a multi-platform personal finance program based on the envelope method developed in the United States. It was one of the most popular personal finance software in 2013, and was also named a great pick for hardcore budgeters. YNAB's general philosophy is to give every dollar a job. Each dollar has a specific purpose, such as yearly car insurance payment, a long-term housing repair fund, college fees, and so on. The app encourages users to think about recurring expenses every month in order to avoid spending surprises. When users overspend, the app encourages them to transfer money between categories in order to roll with the punches, if more money than designated is spent in a category. Financial reports are also displayed by the software to keep individuals informed about their finances at a glance. YNAB is a commercial application. Users must pay $98.99 per year or $14.99 per month after the 34-day trial period expires. Students who provide a school document to verify their status are eligible for a free first year. Encrypted data, accredited data centers, and third-party audits and other security features are available. It's our policy to show you both sides. According to customer reviews, it takes longer to set up than other apps, but if something is that good, the wait is well worth it. 2. Mint, or INTUIT Mint. INTUIT Inc. generated a personal finance management website and mobile app for the United States and Canada named Mint. Mint's main service enables users to track bank, credit card, investment, and loan balances and transactions all in one place. As well as it creates budgets and sets financial goals. This app also provides us with educational blogs and tools for information. Mint requires users to provide both the usernames and passwords for their bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts, which are then encrypted and stored in Mint's databases. This has raised worries that if the Mint databases were ever hacked, rogue third parties would gain access to both usernames and passwords. Some banks provide a separate access code for read-only entry to financial information, which helps to mitigate this risk. Other security features include VeriSign scanning, multi-factor authentication, and Touch ID mobile access. Just like other free apps, this app also shows ads and glitches at times. 3. QUICKBOOKS. QUICKBOOKS is an application of accounting software developed and marketed by INTUIT. QUICKBOOKS products, which were first introduced in 1983, are primarily aimed at small and medium-sized enterprises and provide on-premises accounting applications, as well as cloud-based versions that accept company payments, manage and pay bills, and perform payroll functions. Small business owners with little to no accounting training were particularly fond of the software. As a result, the software quickly claimed up to 85% of the US small business accounting software market. As of 2013, it still controlled the vast majority of this market. Professional accountants, on the other hand, were dissatisfied with early versions of the system, pointing to inadequate security controls, such as a lack of audit trail, as well as non-compliance with traditional accounting standards. INTUIT released QUICKBOOKS 2021 on September 4, 2020, with improved payment processes and automated features. After a 30-day free trial, plan options include Simple Start, $15 per month, Plus, $42.50 per month, and Advanced, $100 per month. The most basic, Simple Start plan tracks income, sales, and expenses, organizes receipts, generates invoices, assists you in tax preparation, categorizes business and personal trips, provides a QuickBook cash account, runs reports such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, and includes only one user. In addition to the above, the Plus plan allows you to manage the projects, track inventory, and include up to 5 users. While the Advanced plan offers business insights and analytics, speeds up transactions, and gives users access to the VIP service, QuickBooks Priority Circle, which includes an assigned account team and free online QuickBooks training. Every app must have some client reviews, which are negative. Some people say this app is less user-friendly, and also the problem of a glitch. 4. Good Budget. Good Budget app enables users to plan their household spending by employing the envelope method, in which they allocate a portion of their income to categories such as groceries, rent, and debt repayment. Users are only allowed to spend what is in their envelopes, and if they exceed their budget, the envelope will turn red to show that they spent big. You'll receive 20 envelopes at no cost. In order to use unlimited envelopes, you need to upgrade to Good Budget Plus, which costs $7 per month or $60 per year. For security, 256-bit bank-grade encryption is used in a secure data center. Users can tailor the envelope categories to their specific requirements, such as saving for an emergency fund or vacation. Rather than being automated, requiring manual data entry allows users to truly analyze their spending habits. Users can also import their recent activity from their bank's website into Good Budget. This app provides personalized reports and real-time updates on how your transactions affect your budget. You may encounter some technical difficulties at first. It also does not sync with your bank accounts or credit cards, which can be a disadvantage for those looking for automation. Furthermore, users are required to use the envelope method to track their spending. Some may find it too conventional to follow. At the end of the day, the choice is yours according to your taste. 5. EveryDollar. Another easy-to-use budget tool for you. This app provides a simpler zero-based budgeting framework than YNAB. Let's start with the basic free version of EveryDollar. Instead of syncing accounts, you manually enter the inflow and outflow of funds throughout the month. Just like our father's personal diary. Here you also categorize budget line items and set bill payment reminders. EveryDollar's premium paid version includes those features as well as the ability to connect to your bank account. Your transactions are automatically reflected in the app, which also provides personalized statistics and suggestions based on your spending habits. You can also link your savings and investment accounts together. EveryDollar's free version is fairly basic, and the premium version is quite pricey. In addition, before signing up for a trial, the app's website provides few resources to assist you to understand how to use the app. Its rating as a whole on Google Play has recently dropped from 4 to 3.5. As previously stated, the basic version of EveryDollar is free. You're able to evaluate the premium version for 14 days for free. Following the trial period, you can pay $79.99 per year or $12.99 per month. Keeping track of your spending can be the first step towards putting your finances in order. Knowing what you spend money on and how much you spend allows you to see where your money is going and where you can cut back. There is an app for you if you want an expense tracker app that easily captures all of your financial data. One that simplifies the expense reporting process at your job, or one that maintains your account by requiring you manually enter each of your transactions. You have an app for everything. According to the nature spender in you, select the appropriate application for your financial growth in the future. So that was 5 spender tracker apps for you. All the apps have good reviews, and already many people are active users. Now it's time for you to go through each one of them and find the right one. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, comment down your strategies of financial management. Are you familiar with some other cool apps like this? Share that with us too. The first sign that a person is matured is how that person handles money. So be mature and be wise. See you in the next one. Bye.